everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Teresa and today I'm going to share with you my Boxycharm premium box for December 2022. I just got this in the mail and as always I like to film my videos as soon as I get them and get them up right away. This month's theme is 'Tis the Season, so I try to wear a Christmas shirt. You really can't see it, but it has snowmen on it. So let's show you guys what I got. So the first product, I want to say I chose this, I can't really remember though, is the Treloose. I probably always butcher that name, I apologize. Beauty Midnight something shadow palette, Deso. I'm terrible, I'm sorry guys. And it retails for $35. This is a new launch. I do have another palette from this brand that I got in a Boxycharm. This one is more like rosy tones with some warm neutrals. It is mostly matte and you have 4 shimmer shades. These are like, the 3 of them are like really foiled and intense, and this one called Wealth, I wanted to use it because it looked pretty, but it's more of like a topper shade. It's still pretty, but it's the topper. So yeah, not bad. I'm always happy when I get a palette in a box. Okay, second product. I think it's called Ella Luz. It is a liquid bronzer with Camu, and this is a new brand to Boxycharm. It retails for $32. So I did choose this, but I am disappointed because it's not what I thought I was choosing. So I'll just read this description. It is this transfer-proof instant face and body bronzer, gives a natural sun-kissed bronze while nourishing and protecting your skin, formulated to glide anywhere and stay throughout anything. This is the bronze you'll want from dawn till dusk. When I chose this, I thought it was like a liquid face bronzer. I didn't realize it was a body bronzer. It's in the shade Superstar Shimmer. So I used it as a primer. I don't know. And I do have it on my neck, and my neck feels sticky. And yeah, I'm gonna have to wipe that off. That feels gross. And then, so here it is right here. And when I blend it out, I mean, it gives you, it's like a, you know, one of those oil bronzers that were really popular a couple of years ago. It's like that type of product, which I never was a fan of. I just don't like the greasy feel. I don't know. It's pretty, but maybe like to mix with a moisturizer would be nice, or, you know, something like that. But I am a little let down, but that's my fault. I chose it. I just misunderstood what the product was. Okay, so third product is a brush set from Complex Culture Easy Eyes Trio, retails for $40. So this is like the third or fourth product I've gotten from this brand, and everything I've got from this brand I like. I got like a bronzer palette, which I enjoy. I got a mascara, which I actually really like. A setting spray, which I liked. So now the brushes. You get 3 brushes. They're eye brushes. I did use them. And they're really soft. They're a little oddly shaped though. They're nice though. It's just, I'm not used to them the way they're angled. They're kind of like triangular, like, I don't know. And this one, I don't have nothing like it. I kind of used it as a pencil brush, but I'm wondering if it would be good for like highlighter, inner corner. So yeah, I'm not mad at this. I'm always happy to get brushes, always. So the fourth product is a repeat. It's Make Serum Balm Hydrating Lip Treatment, retails for $26. It's not like a total repeat because it is a different shade. It's in the shade Nude Nova, but it's so sheer you really can't tell that it's like a nude shade. Here's a swatch. I do have a lip liner underneath to add some color, otherwise it just would have been clear. But yeah, a little bummed out to get a repeat product. The fifth product, very happy about, is the Ciate London Watermelon Dewy Set Spray. Retails for $22. I think it smells really good. It's a sweet, you know, sweet smell. I guess if you don't like like scented sweet things, you probably wouldn't like it, but I did enjoy it. And I only have like one setting spray left in my arsenal, and I've wanted to get a setting spray. I remember my last video, one of my last videos, I said I hope I get a setting spray. It's supposed to help maintain hydration, keep makeup in place, and add a natural dewy finish. So yeah, I'm happy to get this. And the last product, the sixth product in my box, is from Beauty for Certain, called the Perfect Collab. This is a new launch. There's eye pencils, and I'm actually happy they're not just black. We do have a navy right here, and then a bronze. I didn't use the bronze in my eyes, so I don't know how that works, but I did use the navy in my waterline, and I did have to do a couple passes to get it to stick to my waterline, I'll be honest, but it wasn't like impossible to get it to stick there, but it's not bad. And like I said, I'm glad it's different colors and they're not crazy either. They're not insane colors. Like navy, it's really pretty, and the bronze is really pretty. So yeah, overall, I think the box is okay. I wouldn't say it was like the best box ever, but it was an okay box. The total retail value is $193. So yeah, I'm not mad at it. This is my fault. I chose this. I didn't have to choose this. So can't be so mad at that. But yeah, if you guys got your Boxycharm, I'd love to know what you guys got. And yeah, and if you're new to my channel, I'd love for you to subscribe. I do Boxycharm videos every month as soon as I get them. And I also do like get ready with me using the products a lot, like Boxycharm items. I'll do newer products and use some older products. So I'm not just showing you guys what I get and then throw it to the side. Like I continuously use these products. But okay, I'll see you guys soon with my Luxe box, and have a great weekend. All right, bye guys.